If you're looking for a LinkedIn marketing speaker or a virtual keynote speaker, I'd love to introduce myself. My name's Adam Franklin and I'm the author of the Amazon #1 bestseller, Web Marketing That Works. I've also been a professional keynote speaker for over a decade, having given over 200 presentations around the world. These days, however, my focus is on Zoom. Whether it's a keynote or a half or full day workshop, the topic of LinkedIn is really popular at the moment. And if your team members, if your members, if your conference delegates have been asking you about getting LinkedIn on the next virtual event agenda, I would love to have a conversation with you about the types of topics that are resonating at the moment. In my workshops and keynotes, I help people who want to increase their visibility, who want to grow their pipeline, and who want to work with more high-value clients. I cover things like optimizing your LinkedIn profile, finding and connecting with your ideal future clients, as well as developing a 5-step nurture system to systematically and methodically nurture someone from being a stranger on LinkedIn all the way through to being a high-value client. What attendees love about my presentations are that they're super practical. There's case studies, there's step-by-step guides. In fact, they're downloadable PDF guides so that they can go away and implement exactly what I teach them. And there's hundreds of Google reviews of happy attendees from my workshops and presentations. So if that appeals, my details are on the page. I'd love to have a conversation with you about how to get LinkedIn on your next virtual conference agenda. My name's Adam Franklin. Talk to you soon.